A kid who doesn't want to open a present. Jackson. Well then, oh come on. What is it? Tear it open. Tear it open.
He knows what to do.
He knows what it
Open it.
Open the present.
This is not wrapping paper.
Get in there with him, Jason.
Get in there.
Good wrapping job, guys.
Here, I'll switch with you. It's recording. Yay! Open, what did you get? What did you get, Jack?
A table.
Izzy's already sitting on the wrapped chair.
Oh, what did you get for Hanukkah? And this one? Open this one.
Rip it off.
Rip it up.
Yay!
What did you get? A table and chairs?
Sit down.
No, let's
You get out by yourself?
Wait, happy Hanukkah. 2009. Yay, Jackson. Thank you.
You're welcome. Look at him.
I know, he's going to like it here. Now you have a table.
And boogers.
In the video.
Well, we wouldn't want it to show up, would we? That's cute. Happy Hanukkah, Jackson. We love you. Daddy, love you. Thanks.